if anybody out there hasn't done the one ad I would suggest everyone start with on their Easy Agent Pro site is homes for sale under X, whatever that threshold is in your market, 200,000, 304, whatever it is, 100,000. There's a group, especially first-time home buyers that are out there that want that information. They want to know what entry-level homes are out there, and that is a constant rotation of inventory. And especially now in the spring, at least in most of the markets I work, it's pretty hot, and homes under whatever X is in your area go quick. So we've done a lot of those work, homes under 200,000 with 3 bedrooms, homes under 200,000 on an acre. I mean, the more kind of refined you can be, the better.